Hello folks, Waz here from B&B Audioconcepts, and today we have a new Fiat camper. And what have we done to this? Folks, this is the new Kenwood 10-inch screen. We've just had them in last week. This is one of our first ones. Absolutely love the new pitch and roll display. So you've got uphill, downhill, you've got a compass. This is a Fiat camper, so it looks absolutely lovely in here. We can come out, and then there are various different screens. So you've got your Apple CarPlay screen, you've got your pitch and roll, you've got your graphics like old school, which is really cool for people like me at my age, and then you can add your own displays and so forth. Going back to what I like, you also get a compass. You can have options of 4 cameras in this one. You can even have a clock up here instead. I think this is the camera. There we are, so you can drive around like that. We can then click music. Got this, got the new Apple display. Back here, back across. So smooth, no lag. Absolutely fast. Think faster than my fingers, what can I say? Something like this interests you, give us a shout. This is Android and Apple, so it's not a problem. There's also a Syngic app available, so if you're a camper and you've got a high top, etc., just pay us 100 odd quid and we can add that to the system at any time. So that's something that's pretty cool. We are really impressed with this unit, so what more can we say? Just trying to find home. There we are. Then you've got home. You still got DAB, wireless mirroring, HDMI for your Fire Sticks, and again, amazing audio on this unit. It is an SQ unit. It's got RCA outputs, it's got Toslink output, it's got everything that you would need to expand this system as well. We have added some better speakers in here, and we've added a subwoofer in here, and it just rocks. The steering wheel section works. We've had to play with this because this has got an AHD camera, which is not normal, so it's not compatible with the Kenwood unit. So we've had to do a little bit of messing around, bit of cleverness, and we've managed to get it to work. And now when I press reverse, we've got the rear camera, a factory camera working with Kenwood, so that's fine. And then the problem that caused was the interface that we've used to keep all the vehicles data, etc., because this was a Connect U, so that wasn't easy to do. We've ended up using the AV1 in, and then when we hold this button in on the steering wheel, we've now got that option as well, and that's all working as well, and it doesn't affect the camera, so I'm pretty happy with that. And then back to this. Yeah, what can I say? Good bit of kit. Give us a shout. 3-year warranty, 10-inch screen, high def picture, absolutely stunning. You can have your music there and the camera running. What more would you want for a camper? Get in touch with us. Thank you. Bye bye.